Hello friends, welcome back. This is Amol Bhoyer from Vidisha Infotech. Today we are going to start a core Java first lecture. In this lecture, we will see how to install a Java JDK and define its class path and make it ready for Java compilation, and also the introduction of the Java course. So basically, what is Java? Java is a high-level programming language which is related to a real life object orientation, or we can say real life scenario, mostly known as the OOPS concept. So without wasting time, let's start the installation of Java and how to configure it. Just let's see. So from the internet you need to download these two files, that is JRE and JDK. First I will install the JRE file, which is important to run a Java program. Here's the install button. I'll click it, install. It takes some time for the first time installation, and it also depends on the OS which you are using. Basically everyone uses Windows 7 operating system, but we are using Windows 10. Here we have installed the installation. Now we will install the JDK. Run. It's preparing for installation. Yes, you have to next. Next. So here the installation is complete. Now we will check whether we have installed it properly or not. For that, I have to open command prompt, and in the command prompt we have to type the keyword javac, Javac, and press enter. But here it is what it is saying: Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable programs, or batch file. So we have already successfully installed Java, but we have not configured it. So let's configure Java program and make it ready for use for executing our programs, or I can say running our programs. So let's start. For that, we need to right click on my computers and go to properties. After going to properties, go to advanced system settings. Here we have to set the environment variables. In environment variables, we will be getting user variables for our computer name and system variables. For that, we need to change it for the system variables. So I will search here for the path and double click on it. After double clicking, I'll get this window, and here I have to select new. Now here I have to paste the path of where my Java bin folder is. For that, I need to go to, we'll cancel this. I'll go to the folder where I have installed my Java. Here it is. Now here there are two JDKs are installed over here. One is JDK 10.02, so I will be taking that one, and its path, that is bin folder. I'll copy that, copy its path, and we'll paste it over here. And okay. I'll close the folder, also the command prompt. I'll exit. And again run the command prompt. CMD. And now I will type that keyword, that is JAVSC, and here it is. I am ready to use Java programming. So in this way we can configure and install a Java software, and make it ready for use for programming Java language.